Hello, beautiful people! In the video, I will introduce tools for visualizing business processes. Describing and visualizing business processes is a crucial skill for managers and team leaders. Let's start. Visualization makes it easier for the brain to process information. Diagrams provide enough detail while clearly showing transitions and roles. With visualized representation, you can quickly spot potential risks and identify areas where you can save time and efforts. Diagrams are created using notations. Notation is a set of symbols and rules for graphical describing. There are different types of notations. One of the most popular ones is BPMN 2.0. The abbreviation means Business Process Management Notation. There are many tools supporting BPMN. In the video, we will use YD Graph Editor tool. The download link for the tool is in the video description. After downloading and installing YD Graph Editor tool, open the application. In the upper left corner, there is a button Create a new document. Click it. Now, take a look at the right tool panel and locate BPMN section. Firstly, drag and drop this item Pool. Pool is used to separate different stages or roles in any project. In our example, there are 4 stages: stakeholder review, analysis, development, and testing. By default, there are only 3 lanes. Let's add one more. Now rename the lanes. Stakeholder review, analysis, development, testing. Also, let's rename the entire process as Project B. Perfect. So, BPMN diagrams are built on 2 basic items: actions, which are marked by these items, and flow. Flow is an arrow to connect actions. In our example, the development begins with creating change requests by stakeholders. So let's rename the action as Create Change Request. After that, analysts get information about the changes. So we are renaming the action as Gather Info. These 2 actions are connected by the flow. It means that after creating change request, it's time to gather information. It looks logical and it's easy to read, isn't it? Perfect. Let's move on to the one distinguished feature of BPMN. All processes begin with this element: start event, and it should be connected as well. And each process ends with another type of circle. We will consider it a bit later. To save time in the video, I placed all action blocks. Let's review them and connect their sequences. After gathering information, analysts create delta. Delta is a brief description of the changes that is used for initial estimates by development and testing team. Use parallel gateway. That indicates that development estimation and testing estimation run concurrently. Now let's explore another type of gateway, inclusive one. That means that both actions must be completed before sending estimates for review to stakeholders. And today, we will explore one more gateway type, exclusive one. Exclusive gateway shows that there are two possible outcomes. So, if the idea is approved by stakeholders, analysts can start creating technical specification. If the idea is cancelled, the process ends without further development. Another small time jumping. I have connected all elements. Now let's add one more. Message event. After smoke test on production environment, analysts publish new instructions by sending an email to stakeholders. Once the email is sent, process is complete. So we have captured everything without focusing on aesthetics. And our diagram does not look polished. But don't worry for that. For that there is a special magic button. Click on it and voila! Everything looks beautiful and clear, showing exactly how all interactions take place. So, the diagram is a starting point for further process analysis. Addressing these issues requires specific skills and tools that could be a subject of separate videos. For now, we have learned how to visualize development process using BPMN. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.